Hi everyone, I'm Deepakala from AADME batch 78. Before joining AADME, I had enrolled for online digital marketing courses, and that's when I realized that the a live interactive session is very important and very crucial in building up my career, and that's when I joined AADME. And believe me, every session at AADME is so power packed with the concepts of digital marketing and the motivational mindset tips that Alok sir gives. And most important is the in-depth experience that Alok sir shares with all of us. Be it web designing or SEO or paid marketing or social media. Alok sir is like जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन आवर एजेंसी एक क्लाइंट के लिए सो फॉर एवरीथिंग देर इज अ प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच एंड दैट इज व्हाट ही शेयर्स विद द स्टूडेंट्स एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल टेक अवे अकॉर्डिंग टू मी from this course. Talking about the AADME support team, they are excellent and very professional. Many times when I got stuck up during my weekly assignments or could be during internship, they have always been there to support me. Thank you so much for that. And their response time is amazing. Like I told Arpit sir, his response time is like at lightning speed. And Alok sir, with his attitude to help the students and the clients to solve their problems and reach their goals, I think he's truly a mentor, and that is why he has launched this lifetime mentoring along with the course. This lifetime mentorship, I think, is the jewel of the crown of this course. And personally, I believe that for all of us who are stuck up, this mentorship and this kind of hand holding is very much required in the dynamic environment of digital marketing. Well, that's about it, and I would like to sincerely thank Alok sir and team AADME for all the support that you have given so far, and I would like to have a continued professional relationship with you all. Um, and definitely, I would like to recommend AADME course to all those serious aspiring digital marketers out there. Thank you.